Hello student, this lecture is on breach of contract. Breach of contract defined under Indian Contract Act 1872 from section 72 to section 75. This lecture will cover definition of breach of contract and what are the remedy available under the breach of contract. So as far as the definition is concerned, every contract imposes certain obligation enforced at court of law on the both parties to it. If a party fail or refuse, if a party fails or refuse to perform his obligation, it is known as breach of contract. It means any party refuse or fail to perform any contract, it will be under the definition of breach of contract. At this time, any party may be repudiated the contract. It means any party may cancel the contract. So at the end, the contract would be cancelled, or there are number of remedy available for the breach of contract. So the first remedy is rescission of the contract. In a simple language, you can say cancellation of the contract. Second, damage for the loss sustained or suffered. You can claim the damage of loss or sustained suffered. Third, you can shoot for the specific performance. Specific performance means if there is a no certain ground how much loss occurred in the money form, that is known as a specific performance. Or also a remedy, that is an injunction order. Injunction means to stop or to stay. Quantum merit, it means as much as earned by a person will eligible to get back. Restitution, again the contract may be cancelled. Rectifications, it means after change in some terms and condition, the contract may be go ahead. So under the rectifications, both party with negotiation may change the terms and conditions or rectify the some breach under the contract. Rectification or cancellation, it may be rectification. After rectification, the contract may be cancelled. So these are remedy available under the Indian Contract Act for the breach of contract. Rescission of the contract. Breach of contract committed by one party. It may be one party has performed the contract and second party breached the contract. In this case, the party which is aggrieved from the breach of contract may be cancel the contract or rescinded the contract. At this time, the aggrieved party free from all his obligations. So this remedy is for the breach of contract. Second, if there is a damage, so you claim for the damage in the money form or in other than the money form. The damage is monetary compensate for the loss sustained by party due to the breach of contract. In this example, you can see H deliver a shaft his meal to his Komal carrier, it was broken. So when H delivered his shaft and it was broken by another, so the person who has broken the shaft, he will pay the monetary compensation to Mr. H. So this is an example for damage for the loss sustained or suffered. Next, there are many types of the damage under the breach of contract, like ordinary damage, special damage, exemplary damage, or you can say punitive damage or nominal damage. So these type of damage may be occurred in breach of contract. Now, next is suit for specific performance. So suit for specific performance define under section 14 of specific Relief Act 1963. What 1963 says, if there is no standard base for the ascertaining actual damage caused by non-performance, this is known as a specific performance. It compensates in the money, it would not be specific performance. So specific performance means the any damage which is not compensate in money form. So specific performance is not in money form, it is revoke nature and it is in personal nature. So this is next remedy for the breach of contract. Next, what is the difference between damage and specific performance? So as we discuss, damage may be in monetary compensate and specific performance cannot be in monetary compensate and it will be actual obligations. Compensate loss may be from the damage, but in the specific performance, the individual have to perform their obligation. In the damage, both parties discharge from the performance of obligation under the Indian Contract Act and under the specific performance perform obligation by the party. So these are this thin difference between the damage and specific performance. Now, next is the quantum merit. Quantum merit means earn or payment in proportion to the quantum of work done. It means whatever work done by the aggrieved party or the party who is eligible for the refund, he would get the money. As example, X agreed to buy 200 carpets from Y, rupees 200 each. Y delivered 50 carpet to X. X informed that he will not require no more. At the time, Y is entitled to get cost of 50 carpet. It means he delivery is only 50 carpet. So cost of 50 carpet will be given by X to Y. So this is the concept of the quantum merit under the breach of contract. Restitutions, in the simple word, you can say refund, return of benefit received by one party from another under the void contract. If there is a contract cancel, then you are eligible to back the money. In the example, X pay 5,000 rupees in consideration of Y promise married to Z. But Z died at the time of promise. So in this way, the agreement is void, and if agreement is void, then contract is breached. In the contract of breach, according to the restitutions, Y must repay to X. So this was a small lecture on the breach of contract. I hope you understand the concept of breach of contract. Thank you for watching.